Ebusia for any other for no. Mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much in HSO. Kana wahala jumedi ena ebre asese muniaba episkapa enen so mede ebe smash for any etie for Emma wonso so wo fie wo we just so baby biara wo wotimi di wadwencha wo fa ensemi ho aba abetu eye edwa na se de munim no enchi bia ye kwakwakoto abade ye besra ene se ye bema asundie akoso ewo mbasa basa ye de yempe muma yenhwe na yenhwe eye ne ensom na ene de ya me no wo kase mu nyane tie a chese eye yenuaba efia Schwarzenegger enrada o release eye audios bi eba eye bonten efa eye Pinaman Cosmetics ehun na amuamunim se de nyoma esi estati edi efriye se wono na wo ye brand ambassador aye fa na just wo patronize and as wo boy advert ede ama eye cosmetics no na enum ma chese maami ye na adwen sem eye efia woni ne ho esi eye enchen na wo pen baby fa na no na chese efia hwe se wodi ni nipadua bo afode na nku a wo use ni product a wo use nyina ase ni redie na still ene ye yi na sinchen dia ene wono a ene menkofo hu product wono asoso ebetimi ama enkofo ayeden eja product no eton na ebusiam enra da video audio eba bonti na je se Pinaman edi ni suo na wo pa afia chose se die ne nuoma akwa kopiemu ewo eye water na se ewo hono a wo hwe se enkofo betimi aba babe no wo metimi atone no ene afia nso de ba bonten ebega se wu nuoma mu ye fake enyoma wo use eye fake na ni nyina mu no ya boa wo pen ama onyoma etimi akọ na se nde wayi yimu a afi de wo se hwehwe se yen ena yensa embeboa ema wo nyoma no yensa ento enya de se ebeba na no na afia dem se enyoma wakadia for celebrities won efa ye kwapim polo Wendy Shea na mama Brown medical ne yire ne yi de keka wo nyina won bra bonten na won fa ye nsem okan no emetudwa anya sade a ene audios no bebre wo ho obe release Emma Zion Felix Crampum edin ebebe piemu ebi na ebusuafo de nti ene de masaba begina ha ebiem se waba bonten na wo ko ni Facebook no just wo de yes akwade happy day song yi na just o de ejame na wo de tudwa ese Tracy Buache aba bonten ana se wo ne na ba bekasa enti nyoma wo against Pinaman nyina no enya de se wo de beba na se abaya ne na kasa se wontwa nyoma eso na na Ghana for dwen ho a wo monte ase with afia ni subi ene eben bi e woni mu se wo kan asem fa obi ho a afi later on no wasa aba bonten kasa say na ebusuafo amama tunsa de afre me ankasa menuaba bi ewa ha we de me amedi mi name ekuya nti ne ye di ehia ewa ha se ya ye ne no eba abetwetwe enkomo afa ensem yi ewo enti kan ho ani mbonra ensem no emu menuaba me mo akwa bibia bokodi na won fe na edware u say yo ye menuaba afia Schwarzenegger nensem a wodi abetu edwa efa Pinaman ehun ne ehun kwaleba ye take wo mo side no ne Pinaman side ne bia na yaba wo ne Tracy DSC a wodi abetu edwa no se nipa da se ni wa wonim se product a ye di amaw ana se wo advertise di amaw kofo se wo mu enyusu wa yusu bi wonim se akoyi afa amawo nipa bia ba yesto o ye ho advert se obi ento na afia ye wasi nchen na wo ba bonti abeka se ni product enye sa nuaba yi da esu ana wo da na die no ne kwan so ano na de na betimi aka fa ho
ne meka ne se first me chia wa hwefo na if you just again no want them dey pin na efa sa situation products dey o use ye no hu se enye esensa ko ohu ko pesa enye no for no any reputation and credibility in internet sam kwotwe
okay
na ko ode asem betu just say my own mindi anyon kufu echi na afede tom bad products or even though I wouldn't say one pono affect na fe wo to ama for afede ensem mu pie ni mo na afede na be no kware ne pie obi abeka say we asem na bia ekofo mundom nti na yes afede so bia na nia Pinaman ye na ana ahye we nu nti na wo yes and obi betimi aka say and then no say products ni ko yede fake.
Okay.
Okay. Nti nka wo say products ni fake na kwa ko na why dey ura sutwa and then asem asieri ansa na we to be aka say bia propaganda bi keke opese ugu business na map na man na wo yes.
Okay. Na utie odua na penaman ka enkrofo wonsem de ache efia ne ba ko a ba abonte na tese wo su pa efia cho se won boa no na ne nyoma e warehouse won to mame no penaman no wo hwe ni su any said like for the short time so the wetin nsem ne reactions na wo ye wo bia ye ni di djuma ma ne ye
like I say more products be once if you are more film.
Okay.
And if you followers into some more product because I'm young for the one. Say now what fame or followers, me young for the one. The best person I mean say or kasa a quite cheaper ayo.
Okay.
So what I say into quite met me and mommy product I day I call I'm a man for a ton of product new warehouse. So when you be a baba yes advert now one the better say product way is in existence or I can talk. So what I say the best person or catch on the end and young put in the young pony if you or a business way can annoy. So what I say the young pony if you are not catch I know how I am it's when you meet me castle no like a business mind
a business mind
a business
all those say when you say be any product affecting profile no still na like continue on
but say it's the end to be conclude say the products because what you say some dey see anything na if I kasa
but nya if yan kwa people low cramp out their baby to just in product and if you so dey dey aboso enti nipa mienu aka product one say ma dey original so say enye yi
and na say mo nyina buy a brand situations wey because not before.
Okay.
So what I say and you say people also dey be obey be a do I say man and no into you no na say me the entire e fa nya asem pi. So what I say me bet aka say e be a product so e be no mo na enjoy mo but
for okay yen share efia Schwarzenegger all the time onyanko for her information otimi the Bible thing but later on ube nweche no aba and nipa so mesi ama miska say entimi nkasa nipa so mesi aka say de ache me enu ntimi nye de menka bibia efa ho biem does it mean say that boldness na ya na wonya edeba abonten ebebe kanu eya na osasuro ewa ekira na say aya no woni evidence bia de wo na wonya de to wo wi a woni hwi biem no enu nti na otagen kofo say nipa so mesi abekasa cheme enu nti because say wono ase ani se penaman amba abonten ama mekano ma waka de fa celebrities ni bi hu a obe expose no ma me yi ma abonten me power chewa na say wo me kan ensusu waba abonten say Tracy ni na kasa enu nti weja bibia ye ni abai bibia you okay
share a fear I say the whole stories they answer.
Okay.
The story says and as to say won't say if you are say once they be if you anyway if you anyway as stories they answer.
Okay.
Inti what was be bia if you say followers now call down attention also call down to be baby a draw attention bia no.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Inti ebetumi aka say when is a means of drawing attention. What you know
for trends
keke even only evidence bia so at all kind of amount for every day was an amount for starting follow me amount for commenting no say yes afi the fans no one etemu okay but like I say where just to draw attention.
Okay ye dey enkomodidi no eba eye na bi ya enesan bibia na e wasa wonyen for trending whether good or bad so what tarnish will be image will say will be jumedi a wo dey because e dey nipa no the sika na erem what the enwome bi na aye ebia wa bre and wanya that image na do some pencil not because of opese won trend opese wonya followers nti na wo beka bibi agu nipa ne mfi ase nipa ne dwumedi or because of wo personal gain. Is it right as a personal human being yes I did tear your fellow human being na
it is not right say we bibi sad but it's quite unfortunate say nkofo hungry for fame all the time into bibi obey bia ebewe ebegu obi hu fi no obeye no de nya no into na ya meka say ye beda abayana say ye wo law yewe kasafa defamation. Okay. If you go to the extreme and there is a law we face here be punish. So what I say say if there is a law like that, and then we have to understand, say, you're right.
And you're right.
Yes.
Okay. Or final words are the Bama Ashafoni for a funny Yenny Subia, Yanni, a dine, did the chair, yonko for a my no one enya a yankita with then I'll be catch home.
And the mechanic says, oh, no, good as a water tiny cheaper. Now, and yes, we're mine, send by and son now, what day. No, and I said your baby. It's here on son out in the one some pin, that be dear, sir. So only Nipano Ebenyon quiet. There are certain things we will hire woman Mokasaya. It's supposed to be a secret. And a relationship need break here. It doesn't mean say you can bring that information out. And you know, I said moon that's a no. Who keep it a secret in point? As your reputation will be high into like I said, never be saying no, you jai.
I was here for say a bar a day at 2 a jar and no. Once saw a wolfie, and then I'll be to make a fire a year and say way for drink our war ebra too much GH a comment section. If you also like videos not share or all the social media platforms so follow your IG page and your Twitter page at too much GH _Facebook a too much GH meaning Eddie FS Kappa. That's the name. You're Macram.